Hey everyone, we've got a bike in the garage that we've just restored. It's a 404 Honda, and I grew up around these bikes but never actually got the chance to ride one. So I jumped at this chance. Stay tuned, have a look and see what you think about what I thought. Does that make sense? This is Paul, my business partner in Beechdale Motorcycles. Hello everybody. Paul's just helped restore this beautiful Honda 404. And he's just said, Russ, would you mind going and test riding it for me? Oh, go on then.
Give it a go.
Thank you. I'll see you in a bit. So let's have a quick look here. Look at that. 4 cylinders, 100cc per pot. Isn't that lovely? Well, let's just hope I'm saying that when we get back. Feels ever so tight. It's got a nice little whine to the engine. Need my mirrors on something this slow just to make sure that nobody in a mobility vehicle is catching up with me. Well, this will be fun. Let's open that baby up. It's not got push to cancel indicators on it. Come on baby, open up. There we go. The engine sounds gorgeous. It's just a little bit stuttery, and I think it's because it's been stood for so long. It's probably just got some older fuel in it, even though we did flush it out a while ago. It's got a bit of pull to it as well, actually. It's quite sweet. So let's get it onto the ring road. Left indicators. They're working, hopefully. Yes, they are. Down a gear. Let's get the revs up a little bit on it. I'm glad he's checked the tyre pressures. Come on. There we go. That's lovely. Feels like it's ever so slightly holding back, but it's super smooth. Tiny little bit of vibration through the foot pegs. Oops, indicator wasn't fully cancelled there. So these were the thing in the 70s. I mean, this being a P-Reg is around 75, 76 in the year. 1975, 76. Let's see what these brakes are like. I've just tried the back one, but... Okay, where's the anchor? There we go. The gearbox is quite nice. I suppose it's what you'd expect for an older bike. I think it could ideally do with a couple of tanks of super unleaded fuel popping through it. Sounds lovely. See, these are the sort of things when I was at school that I used to be hanging around. Oh look, a bigger bike! Showing 56,000 miles. Got no reason to believe it's untrue. Clutch plates are freed up nicely now. Sounds lovely. Left turn. Knee down, drive out. So it was literally a brief run round the block, and for those of you that remember these sort of bikes, I just hope you can hear the engine now. I've got the wind blast. Let's have a listen. Yes, I get a feeling that the customer's going to be very happy with this one. So when I pull up back to the shop, I'll get my phone out for a nice smooth walk around so you can have a good look at it. The gearbox is so light and the front brake is so vague. Bless it. Solid disc as well. It probably weighs more than a modern bike. I can't stop revving it. It's so sweet. Ooh. Rusty like.
Smooth, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's sat 6 months, so still well, really.
When did you ride it?
When I first put the new carpet squad in it. That
Really?
was 6 months ago. I was waiting for the exhaust coming from.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, he was going to take it away, then he decided he wanted the exhaust changes.
Very nice.
He couldn't make a car brake properly. He was over fueling all the time.
Yeah.
Worn emulsion tubes. Didn't look worn when you offered them up, about half a mil in it. Bad as that.
It's lovely.
30 quid a set, so it's expensive.
Yes.
Nice to see that sticking out of it. Thing, that wouldn't stay down. Stay 2 weeks.
So there you go, people. One beautiful Honda 404, and if I had the room, yes, I would have one. See you later. Thank you, mate. That's really nice.